Rion's TV.
Oh, oops. Alright, finally arrived to Namba station. So from here, we're gonna use the Shinkansen to go to Tokyo. Anyway, let's go outside.
Hey guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Ishida. I was born and raised in Japan. I'm a local Japanese food and travel full-time YouTuber. Today, I'm heading to Tokyo by Shinkansen. Right now, Go To Travel campaign, which Japanese government will cover the half of the travel cost going on. However, Tokyo is exception, so I can't use it. Since I can't use it, I'm heading to discounted ticket store.
I need to buy the discounted ticket. Well, recently, I'm pretty sure not so many people using the Shinkansen, so I'm not sure still they are having the Shinkansen ticket or not, but let's see. Oh wow, what a beautiful day. You know, this place compared to before, more people here. However, still compared to last year, really less. The discounted ticket store is in front of Namba station, so just over there. Here we go. So let's see if they have a Shinkansen ticket or not. So I could buy the discounted ticket. The price was 12,780 Japanese yen. So it's about 1,000 Japanese yen cheaper. Usually they have only reserved ticket, and the reserved seat ticket is more expensive. But luckily I could get the not the reserved ticket, so that the price was cheaper. However, if you are visiting Japan, there is a JR pass which is much cheaper than regular ticket. So probably you wanna use the JR ticket. By the way, I'm using the Air Rhythm mask which I bought it from Uniqlo. I thought this is super useful. However, during the summertime, probably it's not a good idea to use it, especially if you are talking outside, because it's really hard. Anyway, let me go to the Nankai Namba station's main gate so that I can let you guys know how to get to Tokyo station from Nankai Namba station. It's almost there, so let's keep walking. Whew. Hey guys, welcome to Ryan's TV. I'm Ryan. I'm at the Nankai Namba station, Osaka, and I'm heading to Tokyo right now. So in this video, I will show you guys how to get to Tokyo from Nankai Namba station and how much it will cost and how long it takes. Right now, it's about 4:30. I will use Shinkansen and try to eat some bento, which I couldn't eat last time. If you haven't checked my last video, please check that too. Anyway, so from here, I believe it will take about 4 hours. I'm not sure though. Hope you guys enjoy spending a day with me, and this video can help your next Japan travel. So let's go.
The easiest way to go to Shin Osaka station is to use Osaka Metro Midosuji line. You can just go straight and use the red line. There is an elevator in front of the gate, so if you have a big luggage, don't worry about it. Speaking of the luggage, there is a new rule for Shinkansen. If you are the traveler with big luggage, you need to be careful. I will let you know soon, so hold on 1 second. It's 7 stations away from Namba station to Shin Osaka station. Osaka station is different to Shin Osaka station, so you have to be careful. Still, there are really less people in the train, so it's much easier to travel now.
Here we have to go to the Shinkansen Shin Osaka station. It's about 10 minutes walking. It's not that far. You can just follow the sign. So let's keep walking.
I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough.
By the way, from Namba station to Shin Osaka station, it costs 280 Japanese yen.
So at the station, you can buy a bunch of omiyage, which is a souvenir, and also bento.
You know, Ekiben is really popular. Eki means station, and bento means lunchbox. The last time when I came here, most of the bento box was sold out. So hopefully I can find something good this time. So let's check the store. There are many kinds of bento box. It all looks good. The price is from 800 Japanese yen to 1,200 Japanese yen. Compared to regular bento box, it's a bit expensive, But that's the Ekiben. That's how it is. This is Hippari Dako Meshi. No, it's sold out again.
Well, again, unfortunately, Hippari Dako Meshi was sold out.
I could get one of the most popular Shin Osaka Ekiben instead, so please look forward to it.
Well, Hippari Dako Meshi looks cool, but this one looks cool as well. Before riding on the Shinkansen, I need to change my ticket because that's a discounted ticket. So this orange place, I have to change the date.
One more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there.
So let me change it. Well, actually, that was not the place. This white one over here, this is the place I have to go. So hold on one second. Alright, so I finished the process. So from here, I just need to ride on the Shinkansen. I believe less people there. I hope. Anyway, let's get into the Shinkansen.
Speaking of Shinkansen, this is the new rule starting from April 2020. If you have the luggage bigger than 160 cm total, it is considered as an oversized luggage. Then, you need to make a reservation to carry on your luggage to Shinkansen before you ride it.
However, don't worry about it. I just asked them, and if you have a bigger luggage compared to this size, still you can ride on the Shinkansen. However, you just need to pay 1,000 Japanese yen, which is almost $10. So if you want to save money, then make sure reserve the seat. By the way, this is a new rule that starting from this April. Today, I brought the smaller luggage. Anyway, let's go to the Shinkansen place. Let's go.
Since my ticket is not a reserved seat, I try to find a Shinkansen starting from Osaka station. Next one is Nozomi 428, leaving at 5:51. So I need to go to gate number 23.
It's 5:30, so I still have 21 minutes. Since we have time, let's check the place of the Shinkansen.
As you can see, there are really less people there. It was a perfect time to take a photo though. I spent too long time to take a photo there, so there was only 5 minutes left before leaving the train. Actually, I wanted to buy a beer for the bento box, but all the kiosk was closed, so I decided to use this vending machine. Whenever I used a non-reserved seat, I had to be in line for taking a seat. But today, for sure, I can find a seat. Still, there are several customers in the Shinkansen, but as you can see, yes, we are taking social distance for sure. Well, the last time when I shoot the video in the Shinkansen, I realized that because of the noise, my voice was not clear, so I tried to speak like this time. Hopefully you guys can hear my voice clearly, even this place is kind of noisy. By the way, wow, at the time of the sunset, it's really beautiful. Actually, I wanted to make kanpai with beer. However, I was spending too long time to take a photo in front of the Shinkansen. Well, because of that, it became no time to go to buy beer. But anyway, I could get drink. But you know, there is a lady selling the drink inside the Shinkansen. So if I find her, I will make order. So anyway, let's drink. I totally forgot. Kanpai. I guess cam is not horizontal. No! Well, I can't believe it's broken, so let me use the bigger tripod. So now I change it to the bigger tripod. Hopefully you guys can have better angle. Oh, psycho. It's pretty good because I was thirsty. I am hungry as well, so let's eat the bento. Here we go, so this is the one I bought. It's a Tabino Nigiwai Gozen. By the way, trouble in Japanese is tabi. One of my favorite YouTubers called Tabi Eats. So their tabi means trouble and eats. It makes sense, right?
So this one price was 1,000 Japanese yen. Ekiben, which is a station bento, is more expensive compared to the regular bento box, but it's okay. So let's enjoy eating. So let me show you guys what's inside there. By the way, there is a chopsticks, so I don't have to touch it, but still I will use hand sanitizer though for safety. So let's open it. I can't open it. I don't have scissors, so let me just take it off. It's much easier. Oh, look what we have! Wow, it looks really nice. Loving it. Alright, so let's eat. Itadakimasu. First, let me try this rice. So this is a sekihan, meaning red rice. Usually, they don't use the regular rice. It's a sticky rice. Itadakimasu. So there are many kinds of dishes, but first let me try this sukiyaki.
Even it is cold, meat is really soft and really tasty. Loving it.
Especially, I like this. I guess this one is a bamboo. It's really shaki. Loving it. This is too low angle. Let me make a bit higher so that I can eat it. Ugh. I guess this is a fried tofu. I believe it's a fried tofu. Well, I prefer the regular fried tofu. I guess this is a chestnut. Oishii. It's sweet. And there is a kamaboko. I'm not sure how to call this kamaboko in English. I believe it's a fish cake. Also, tamagoyaki. Usually, Osaka's tamagoyaki is sweet. But this is a travel station bento, so I'm not sure if it's sweet or not. So let me try it. It was not sweet, dashi flavor, but it's still good though. This brown rice, I'm wondering what kind of rice it is. Let me try it.
Passengers coming to the Tokaido,
Well, I can feel the dashi flavor and the soy sauce flavor. Well, if you want to know, please try this Tabino Nigiwai Bento. Oh, by the way, it's arrived to Nagoya right now. It's 6:40. We left Shin Osaka at 5:51. So in Tokyo, we will arrive 8:20. We still have 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's only 1 hour and 30 minutes. We will be in Tokyo. Yeah, Tokyo and Osaka, it's about 600 kilometers, which is pretty far. However, if you can use the Shinkansen, not that far, huh? So anyway, let's keep eating. This one, interesting. めっちゃ美味しい. Taste is really soft. The dashi flavor, yummy. I'm loving it. And I know this pumpkin must be good. めっちゃ美味しい. Loving it. With octopus. Also, there is a tiny salmon. It's not salty, it's good. This is a bean. Usually it's really sweet. Yeah, it is sweet. Oishii. It's a tsukudani fish. It's really good with rice. Renkon. Oishii. The lotus root is my favorite. Well, maybe for some country, eating lotus root is not really popular, but yeah, it's really good. And this one is satoimo. Maybe it's yamaimo. shiitake mushroom. This is my favorite. I know this one tastes good for sure. So I save it for the last. めっちゃ美味しい。And for the last, there is kushikatsu and takoyaki. There is sauce. Well, speaking of kushikatsu and takoyaki, it's a really popular food from Osaka. You know, I was born and raised in Osaka, so since I was a kid, I've been eating takoyaki and kushikatsu. So let's see. How about the kushikatsu? Well, speaking of the kushikatsu and takoyaki, I think it's still pretty good for bento, but I really recommend to eat it in the restaurant. So if you come over to Osaka, try it at least once. Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, arrived to Tokyo Station, finally! Woo! Wow! Still 8:20, but really few people already. Totally understandable though. Alright, finally I arrived to Tokyo. I left at Nankai Namba station at 4:30 and right now it's about 8:30, so yeah, 4 hours. But you know, I've been shooting videos and I'm stopping at many places, so probably if you are a traveler that you don't stop by any places, yeah, 3 hours 30 is enough. Yeah. No, I don't think so. Sorry, take two. Well, so it took about 4 hours. However, I've been shooting videos, so maybe if you are traveling, probably a bit less. Well, so anyway, from today I will stay in Tokyo and I will start shooting many places in Tokyo, such as Disneyland, maybe Akihabara, Odaiba. Yeah, many places. And also I want to introduce my favorite restaurant in Tokyo too. Yes, I used to work and live in Tokyo, so I know many places. Anyway, hope you could see how to get to Tokyo from Nankai Namba Station, Osaka, and how long it takes and how much it costs. Well, I totally understand that many of you guys had to cancel Japan trip. Well, so hopefully you could enjoy virtual travel from Osaka to Tokyo. Alright, so this video pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification so that you will not miss my new video and surprise live stream. And if you like the video, please share the video with your friend. It will really encourage me to keep shooting videos. More power to the channel, more videos. So please stay safe, healthy, and happy. See you in the next video. Arigato, bye bye.